5 daily habits that make you instantly more attractive. What if I told you that becoming instantly more attractive isn't about genetics, money, or luck? It's about small, powerful daily habits that can completely change how people perceive you. Whether it's your confidence, your style, or even the way you talk, these little changes make a big difference. So today, I'm sharing 5 daily habits that will instantly make you more attractive, no matter where you are in life. Let's get into it. Habit 1. Master your grooming routine. Let's start with the most obvious but often neglected one, your grooming. The truth is, looking put together isn't about being perfect, it's about being consistent. When you take care of yourself, people notice. It shows self-respect and discipline, 2 traits that are extremely attractive. And skincare matters. Daily cleansing and moisturizing make your skin look fresh and youthful. If you have acne or dark circles, a simple skincare routine can improve your appearance dramatically. Imagine 2 guys, one with dry, flaky skin and another with a smooth, clear face. Who do you think looks more attractive? Hair and facial hair maintenance. Get regular haircuts that suit your face shape. Trim and shape your beard or keep a clean shave. Always check for stray nose and ear hairs, small details matter. Smell good, always. Daily shower, deodorant, and a signature cologne. Fragrance is scientifically proven to make people perceive you as more attractive. Apply cologne on pulse points, wrists, neck, and behind ears. Habit 2. Dress like you care. You don't need designer clothes to look attractive. You just need to dress with purpose. People judge you within seconds, and your outfit speaks before you do. Fit is king. Well-fitted clothes enhance your body shape and make you look sharper. Example. A $20 well-fitted t-shirt will look better than a $500 baggy designer hoodie. The power of simplicity. Stick to neutral colors and classic pieces, white shirt, dark jeans, leather jacket. Avoid flashy logos and extreme fashion trends. Invest in a few quality basics instead of buying a ton of cheap clothes. Shoes make or break your outfit. People notice your shoes. Keep them clean, stylish, and appropriate for the occasion. Example. Imagine a guy in a sharp suit but wearing dirty sneakers, instantly ruins the look. Habit 3. Speak with confidence and charisma. You might have the best outfit in the world, but if you speak with zero confidence, it's game over. The way you talk is one of the most attractive things about you. Slow down and control your voice. Speaking too fast makes you seem nervous. Use pauses for emphasis, it makes you sound more powerful. Practice reading aloud with confidence every day. Make eye contact. Looking away too much signals insecurity. Hold eye contact naturally. Don't stare, but don't break it too soon. Example. Ever noticed how confident people hold eye contact just the right amount? That's power. Learn to tell engaging stories. People love good storytellers. Instead of saying, "My weekend was fun," describe it with details. Avoid complaining or being negative. Positivity is attractive. Habit 4. Take care of your body, fitness and posture. You don't need a six-pack to be attractive. But taking care of your body shows self-discipline, and that's irresistible. Workout daily, even just 10 minutes. A simple home workout, push-ups, squats, planks, improves your posture and energy. Even 15 minutes of daily stretching can make you walk taller and look more confident. Posture equals instant attraction boost. Stand up straight, chest out, shoulders relaxed. Imagine a string pulling you up from the top of your head. Stay hydrated and eat clean. Drinking enough water makes your skin glow. Cut down on junk food. It affects your mood, energy, and appearance. Habit 5. Develop an unshakable mindset. Here's the secret. The most attractive people aren't just physically appealing. They radiate confidence, positivity, and purpose. And stop seeking validation. Confidence is about knowing your worth, not relying on others' approval. The guy who doesn't care about impressing people, that's the one who stands out. Who have a purpose and passion. People are drawn to those who are passionate about something. Spend time developing skills, hobbies, or goals. It makes you more interesting. Practice gratitude and positive thinking. Negativity repels people. Positivity attracts. Keep a journal, write down wins, and focus on what's going well. Ever noticed how people love being around those who uplift them? Alright, let's recap. The 5 daily habits that will instantly make you more attractive are: 1. Mastering your grooming routine. 2. Dressing with confidence. 3. Speaking with charisma. 4. Taking care of your body. 5. Developing an unshakable mindset. If you start applying just one of these habits today, you'll see a difference. But if you apply all 5, you'll become a completely different person in the best way possible. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one habit you're going to start working on today? Drop a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content on becoming the best version of yourself. See you in the next one.